name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today. I'm inspecting this Jaguar for you. Let's just go through the bodywork. Bodywork overall is in an acceptable condition. Obviously, you will see all the light scratches and many stone chips on this middle section of the vehicle. On this side is significantly more than on the other side. Some detail in your preferred can be arranged. Again, several scratches covering the rear bumper and this section and all the way around, and you got some scuff marks on this section. Again, some scratches here on the side. I took some pictures for you to have a look, and here's some scratches on the top of the sort of wing or D-pillar. So this section as well in the middle, you can see some chip marks on the bodywork, some scratches on the mirror. Stage 1 bodywork polish should make it better, but not significantly. Again, stone chips on the front bumper. Sort of dry paint a bit. Stone chips on this section. Front bonnet is covered from motorway driving with loads of stone chips. So age related, nothing you can do. Would be a respray if you prefer. Interior is in a very good condition for the age and mileage. Not much of the wear. Same on the passenger seat, same on the driver's seat, so I would say that's good. All the alloy wheels has scuff marks all the way around, some oxidation marks. Front right tyre has uneven wear on both edges, but the tyre pressure is low. On this side, it needs rear pads. It would need rear some of the bushes. I will put everything in summary. I'm going to go for the road test now, and vehicle's drivability issues I will add in the vehicle. So we'll need top, upper arms on both sides. This side starts to do a slight play, and that one, the rubber has been perishing for some time through the MOT history. That's pretty much the vehicle. So far, there's no reason to reject. Depends on the price. I'll put some recommendations about the costings, and then you can deal with the seller. Thanks for using us.